Ms. White?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Gwendolyn Yvonne White. This is ticket X 4095302. Count 1, accident, failed to stop and identify property damage. Count 2, improper passing, same direction. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jack Kramer, P77490 for Miss White.
And Ms. White, can you state your name for the record, please?
Gwendolyn Yvonne White.
Counsel, have we reached a resolution today?
We did reach a resolution, Your Honor. The deal is Ms. White would tender a plea of guilty to an amended charge of failing to report an accident. The statute for that, if the court needs it, is 257.619. That's 0 points and is not abstract, and count 2 would be dismissed.
Is 619?
Yes, Your Honor. 257.619.
All right, and the civil infraction will be dismissed.
That's correct, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Ms. White, if you want to take advantage of this, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. White, you had a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
All right, pleading guilty of your own free will.
Yes.
All right, pleading guilty because you are guilty.
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of August the 25th of 2022. Were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of M39 and 4 Road in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you fail to report an accident that took place, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, satisfied counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Stipulation for probable cause to dismiss the remaining count.
Yes, Your Honor. Stipulated. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to report. Count 2 in this particular matter will be dismissed.
Thank you, Judge. Good to see you.
Well, good to see you too. My fine for this. All right, my fine for this is $240. Okay.
Okay.
How long do you need to pay that? 30 or 60 days?
I can pay it today.
Okay, I'm gonna give you 30 days just in case, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna give you until April 3rd, 2023 to have that paid in total, okay, ma'am?
Okay, and where do I go to pay it?
You can go to 36districtcourt.org. Wait until Monday though to try and pay it if you want.
Okay.
You can
Okay.
physically come down here. Whatever happened in the situation, don't do it again, okay?
Yes.
All right. There's nothing further. You're all set. Good to see you, Attorney Kramer.
Thank
Have
you,
a
Your
good
Honor.
day. Thank you.
You too.
Thanks.
Thank you. All right. Bye-bye. Bye, Ms. White. Be careful out there.
Cindy Woods?
Yeah, somehow he got lost trying to get to the breakout room. Dominique McMillan.
Okay. All right, just one moment. Do you remember which? Oh, you're trying to get there. Okay. What was it? Williams McMillan?
Correct.
Okay. Just one moment. And so he never talked to an attorney then, right?
No, one attorney came on, but they said he was in the wrong breakout room. And they told us that just push leave out. They gave us some prompts to do, and then we got lost.
Okay. Okay, now once I put you in this breakout room, I'm going to put you in breakout room number 21. Don't touch, okay? Once you go in there, don't touch anything. It sounds like you may have moved to another breakout room once you got in there. So just press it now to accept the invitation to join 21. But hold on a moment. Yeah, but once you get in there, don't touch anything. There you go.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Now you gotta wait again.
Okay.
Ms. Wabia, will you unmute your phone, please? Can you hear me? Ms. Wabia. Zuri Wabia. Zuri Wabia. If you can hear me, say something.
Okay, I'm sorry. I had the other phone on mute. I'm sorry. Can you hear
Okay.
me now?
I can. Yes, thank you. Listen, I'm going to go on. So it's a breakout room. It's a place where you'll be able to speak with the attorney in private about your case and about your rights. When you finish talking with him and you've decided what you're going to do about your case today, leave the breakout room, press leave, and it'll bring you to the courtroom. And once you come back to the courtroom, you'll automatically be put into the breakout room, I'm sorry, a waiting room. And that's where you will stay until the judge is ready to hear your case.
Okay.
So you're going to automatically go into a breakout room now. The attorney will be in to talk with you shortly.
Okay, what number I need to push?
20, hold on a moment. I think it's 21. Just a moment. Go to 23.
23?
Yeah, breakout room number 23.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. I have to put you in there. You're on the phone, so
Okay.
there. That's okay. Hold on a moment. Okay.
Miss Sandy, we just not putting her in the breakout room?
I was trying to wait. Mr. Hoffman he's got 2 more people to go. I was trying to wait as long as I could to see if anybody else would come in.
Sandy.
But
Oh, that was like a half an hour.
he had like 5 people ahead of him. I'm trying to cut down on the amount of times that I give them that announcement. She would either be sitting here or in there waiting for him. So I wanted to leave her out here for as long as I could until more people check in. So he's down to the last 2 and she'll be number 3. Would you prefer I not do that? I mean, that's the only way I know to cut down on the announcement. Okay, it annoys Mary. So I'm trying to do what I can to stop that. And I figured she could either sit in here and wait for other people to join her and I could do them all at the same time, or put her in there and tell the next person who comes in the same thing. Now she'll sit in there and wait for him to come talk to her. He hasn't missed a beat. He's keeping it moving, Judge. Okay, we ain't wasting no time.
Hello, this is Corporal Spadell.
Hey, Officer Fidel, you back?
Yes, I went to the breakout room 30. I was just making sure that's where I was supposed to be.
Yep, just go back to breakout room number 30. Have you talked to Attorney Walker yet?
No, I haven't spoken to anyone.
Okay, all right. I don't know if they have an offer for your client or not. Okay, man, let me see. You might also have to, yeah, go to room 30 and then I'll have Attorney Walker when she comes back in, or I'll have Attorney Walker come in there and talk to you, okay, about resolving this case today.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. I'm on the clock. I'm on the clock.
Just called in.
I can't. I'm on the phone.
Yes, the person who just called in on the phone, what is your name?
I'm talking.
The person who just called in on the phone, what's your name, please?
Oh, John Williams.
Don Williams?
John Williams.
Okay, just one moment, Mr. Williams.
She's not about to care, bro. She's about to be like.
Williams,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm talking for a moment. Got to check you in. Bear with me for one. You said it's a D-O-N, Don Williams?
John, John.
Have you been here before, Mr. Williams, today? Have you been today already?
I have.
Yeah, okay. Did you speak with an attorney?
I did.
Okay, so why did you leave Zoom?
You said why?
Yeah,
I didn't really know. I left. I put my phone in my pocket. Me forgetting that I was in a Zoom call. I'm currently at work, but I have time to talk.
okay, all right. Then since you've already talked with the attorney, I'm gonna put you in a waiting room, okay?
Okay. When will I be back? When will I be back?
Well, when the judge is ready to hear your case,
Okay.
okay? All right, thank you.
Ms. Yarbrough, I'm sorry. I did not mean, oh,
Sorry, you want me to bring her back out?
yeah, I misadvised her. I thought it was a matter set for trial and it is not.
Okay. Did you speak with, have you resolved or decided what you're gonna do with Mr. John Williams yet?
Yes, he's gonna enter a plea today.
Okay, because he left and I put him back in the waiting room. I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah, we talked. He's ready.
Okay.
So I only have a couple more and then I'll be ready to get started. Sorry, Ms. Yarbrough, I'm gonna need you back into the breakout room. There's something
Okay.
else I need to talk to you about.
Okay.
Okay.
Ms. Yarbrough, can you rejoin breakout room number 9?
Okay.
Flavia,
Yes, ma'am.
did you speak with the attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're gonna go in the waiting room now.
Sandy, can you make me co-host? Where she go? Sandy, can you make me co-host?
Yes.
I'm ready, Your Honor.
Mr. Buffman,
Yes.
Chenier White asked for help, and I went in to find out what she wanted to do, what she needed. And she said that she was confused. She didn't know if she should have left the breakout room.
Right.
And I asked her if you and her decided what you're going to do today. She said she didn't know.
Yeah, I know. We
You were?
were not.
Okay, I'll bring her out of the waiting room then.
Thank you. And I'm still waiting on a precinct information on Curtis.
Attorney Boston, I sent them both to you.
Oh, are they both together?
No, not together. It's two separate emails.
Okay. Yeah, I did get that from Mr. Rose. Thank you.
Ms. White? Chenier White?
Yes.
Yeah, Mr. Boston was not finished talking with you, so can you rejoin the breakout room?
Okay. Number 19.
Yes.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay, I am a couple of loose ends, so I'm otherwise ready to get started on the people in the waiting room, Your Honor.
Okay, cool. You. Joshua Wallace.
Yeah.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Joshua Wallace. This is ticket number SP 13126591. This is one count reckless driving. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Hoffman on behalf of defendant. Would you state your name, for the record, please?
I didn't hear that, sir. You're gonna have to repeat it.
Joshua Wallace.
Mr. Wallace, we're having a hard time hearing you. Is maybe your thumb over the microphone of your phone? Can you repeat one more time your name?
Joshua Wallace.
Perfect. Thank you very much, sir. The defendant is asking that this matter be set for a waiver trial by Zoom, please. It's here for pre-trial.
Thank you very much. Sir, if you could raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Wallace, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set it for the date of May 15th. May 15th is going to be via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in today at 9 a.m. Okay, May 15th, 9 a.m. Bond set at $0 personal. Okay, sir?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You're all set. Okay.
Okay.
I'll be right back in 30 seconds. I'm going to room 19 for just long enough to
No,
get.
I understand, Attorney Bachman. Go ahead.
Be right back.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, Attorney Bosman. Curtis Wright.
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Curtis Wright. This is Z ticket 8066891. This is one count of operating while intoxicated. This is the date and time set for a sentencing in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your full name, sir.
My name is Curtis Quinton Wright.
Thank you. Mr. Wright and I have reviewed together the pre-sentence information that is now a part of the court's file. We find it to be factually accurate. We do not have any additions or corrections or deletions, and as to the recommendation, we have no objection, Your Honor.
All right, sir. Is there anything you want to say on your behalf before I sentence you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Your blood alcohol level is real high. I'm concerned, Mr. Wright. Okay?
Yes.
But it's at this point in time that the court does order that you be sentenced to a term of probation to 12 months with the following conditions. You have to attend and be discharged in writing from an outpatient treatment program. Test twice monthly for alcohol and drugs. No alcohol, no marijuana, no illegal substances. You have to attend the alcohol highway safety class, the MAD victim impact panel. My fine is $300. You have a supervision fine of $35 per month. There's court costs in the amount of $100. And sir, you'll be given all this information. So even though I'm saying a lot of stuff, you'll be given the actual sheet of paper with all the information from probation services to make sure that you complete it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we're gonna have you back for a review in a year because it's only gonna take you a year to do all of this, right, Mr. Wright?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, so we'll have you come back for a review. I don't think there's anything additional. No DNA is needed because this is a misdemeanor. The crime victim's fee is $75, okay? And then the testing costs will come. I don't know if you're gonna test here or test at a different location, so I'll let them determine how much the testing fees are. Sir, after you get off this call with me, you do need to call probation services. Do you still have that phone number of the person you spoke to or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, call them and let them know that you were sentenced to the terms and conditions that they gave you, okay? I'm not gonna give you anything extra. And as long as you take care of this business, then you will be able to come back and get off probation. I'll set the review for 1 year from now. So that's March 4th, 2024. Sir, if you finish early and the probation officers think that you did a good job, they can always request that you come back early. So that's some incentive, okay, Mr. Wright?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If there's nothing further, that is the order of this court, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I did tell you it was gonna be a $300 fine, right, from the court.
No,
Plus
but
cost and fees, plus cost and fees. That's, yes, Mr. Wright, okay?
yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay? Good luck to you. I hope when you come back, that it's not for a violation, it's because you completed this, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a good day, Mr. Wright.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Nathaniel Young, Mr. Young, sit up for me, please. Welcome to court. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Nathaniel Mercedes Young. This is ticket SP 1310653. Count 1, drove while licensed not valid or improper license. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Nathaniel Young.
Judge, these matters are set for trial at 8:30 a.m. Oh, excuse me. I am mistaken. These matters are set for arraignment. So for that purpose, we plead not guilty and ask that to be set for a trial date, please, by Zoom.
At this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Young, you had an opportunity to talk with Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set it for the date of May 15th. May 15th, it's gonna be via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in at that day, 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay, sir?
All right. Thank you.
All right, no problem. I'll see you back that day.
All right.
All right, have a good day. John Williams?
Here, 201.
I got a fish. John Williams? Mr. Williams? John Williams? Going down. Yasmin Wright?
Yes, Yasmin, right?
Yes, Miss Wright.
Hi, how are you today, Judge?
I'm good, thank you. Where's your video at? Oh, there it is. Okay. All right. Now calling, stop walking for a minute, okay, Miss Wright?
Oh, okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Yasmin Wright. This is ticket SP 1326162. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive while license suspended. Count 3, reckless driving. Appearances for the record, starting off with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant, Ms. Wright. State your name, please. Ms. Wright.
Yasmin, right?
Thank you. Judge, this
Yes,
is pre-trial.
Yasmin, right?
Thank you. This is pre-trial. The defendant has not been instructed how to attend the better driver's course before this date. She has been advised. Would you please adjourn this matter so that she can complete that and come back and resolve this on her next court date?
Last time she was here, she was supposed to pay the reinstatement fee. Did she pay that?
Yes, I did.
Okay. All right, I'll give you a little bit more time to take this class then. I'll have you come back on May 1st, 2023 at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Can I say something?
Yes, you can, Ms. Wright.
Okay, I have my license and I have my insurance and registration. Would that change anything, or do I still need to take the test before I?
Well, the problem is gonna be, Ms. Wright, just so you know, the reckless driving is that what he's trying to address. The reckless driving has
6 points.
6 points. So I'm sure that the offer today is somewhere around reckless driving. Do you want 6 points on your license?
No.
Okay, so
Take the class, it'll help.
it'll help them like want to give you a better offer. I know it's taking a long time, and I'm very happy that you got your license and that you have insurance now, but that last key component is going to be the reckless driving, okay?
Okay.
All right, Ms. Wright, I can give you a little quicker time to come back, but you got to take the class. So I want to give you enough time to be able to take the class. How long do you think that would take you to do? It's online.
I'll be able to, cause it's a fee that I have to pay, and I'll be able
Yeah.
to have that by $1 fee. So I'll be able to have that by the third. I want to say Friday, just to have it all clear. So Friday, next Friday coming up.
I won't be here. I have to go to a mandatory training. So, what about, how bad is my March 24th? What about March 24th, Ms. Wright?
Yes, that'll be fine.
Okay, I'll do you on March 24th. I do remember you came back and you tried real hard, so I want to help you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome at 8:30 a.m. Hopefully we can get you a little better than the 6 points, okay, ma'am?
Okay.
All right. We'll see you then, okay, ma'am?
Okay, thank you. You have a
You're
good
welcome.
one.
Have a good day. Good job too with getting your license back and everything, okay?
Thank
All right. You're welcome. Have a good day. Messiah Wadlington.
Hello.
Hello. Now calling the matter of the people versus Messiah Waddington. This is ticket number SP 1383030. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 3, no proof of insurance. May I have your appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please, first?
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, ma'am. Ma'am, could you state your name, please?
Messiah Watlington.
Thank you. On information and belief from talking to the defendant, Judge, she's got a appointment in the near future, I believe next week, to take a driving test. I believe that she's going to come back in compliance. Even though it's set for pretrial today, would you just adjourn this for a period of time, giving her time to come back in compliance, please?
Yes, I'll give you one more time, Ms. Waddington, okay, to try and get everything in order. I know sometimes it takes a while, okay? I do understand it, okay?
Okay.
So I have to come back May 1st, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
You're very welcome, okay? So come back in compliance so we can be cool, okay?
Okay, yes, ma'am, I definitely will.
All right, if there's nothing further, we'll see you then. Bond set at $0 personal, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well.
I will, thank you. Walter Walker Jr. Yeah, connect to audio. Connect to audio the rest of the way. There you go, Mr. Walker. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I hear you.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Walter Walker Jr. This is ticket number SP 1382967. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your full name for the record, please?
Walter Walker.
Judge, defendant does not present today in compliance, but he is going to return at the next action date in compliance. Would you consider an adjourned pretrial, please? I don't think there's any need for Officer Spidel to be notified.
Oh, he's coming. He already in the courtroom today for something
Yeah,
else.
he'll probably be here just on by accident.
All right, sir, I'll give you some more time to get into compliance. I'm gonna have to return back on May 1st. May 1st, sir, at 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. That gives you plenty of time to come back in compliance, okay? Mr. Walker,
Yes.
did you hear what day you
Okay.
coming back?
I'm sorry. I hear you now.
Okay, May 1st, okay? At 8:30
All right.
a.m. you can come back in compliance, okay?
Okay.
All right, via Zoom, same way you came on today, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you then, sir. Bonds continue, $0 personal.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
Have a good day, Your Honor.
You too. Broderick Wallington,
Yes, ma'am.
now calling the matter of the people versus Broderick Wallington. This is ticket number Z8086161. This is one count of operating while visibly impaired. Today is the date and time set for a sentencing in this matter. What you looking at, Mr. Wallington?
I was seeing if I had a pen to write this down, but I'm just putting it in my phone.
Okay, go find a pen. No. I appreciate that. You need to get a pen real quick because I might have you write them down.
Okay.
Okay, get you a pen.
All right, I'm ready.
All right. Appearances for the record, I think I already called the case. So appearances for the record, starting with Attorney Baldwin, please.
Harry Baughman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Broderick Wallington.
Judge, we're here for the purpose of sentence. The defendant has previously pled guilty to the charges. And towards that end, we have reviewed together the pre-sentence information report that's part of the court's file. The defendant will agree that there are no additions or corrections or deletions, that it is factually accurate, and that to the recommendation contained in that report, we have no objection, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Mr. Wallington, you want to say anything on your behalf?
I would say I own up to I'm accountable for it. I know. Take care of my business, and if I would like to be able to get off this early. I just found out I have a daughter, so I just want to be able to just do what I got to do. I don't want to be on this all,
All right, Mr. Wallington, you put yourself in this situation, but just because you put yourself here doesn't mean that you can't, do what you need to do and be able to get off as you have stated, okay? So let me just say this too. I don't know if Attorney Baughman talked to you about it, but I read in the report that you refused the PPT test or at the scene.
Yeah.
Listen, be mindful of it. Read the laws on that, okay? Because I don't expect that this will happen again, but if it ever did, I want you to be aware of what that does, okay?
Okay, yeah, I'll never be.
Okay, all right. So, and I only know that because I worked over at Third Circuit for some time. So just read the laws on that, okay?
Yeah.
All right, sir, it is at this time that the court is going to impose a 12-month probationary sentence. Now, sir, if you complete everything and do all the tasks, they can always request of this court that you be released early, okay?
Okay, what's the earliest?
The earliest is 6 months.
Okay.
Okay, but you have to complete everything and be a stellar star student, okay? I'll put in there if you complete every task early, that you can come before the court, that the probation officer can come before the court and request that you be dismissed from probation early, okay?
Okay.
All right, you are to not consume any alcoholic beverages. You shall not possess or use any illegal substances. You're going to submit to random urinalysis testing. That's going to be twice a month for right now. Any positive tests, you're going to have to do outpatient treatment, okay? Only on positive tests, okay? And then you're going to have to complete the victim impact panel and the alcohol highway safety panel. Now, they're going to give you instructions on how to complete that when you call back the probation office, okay?
Okay.
All right, and they want you to view the consequences video. There is going to be some fines. My fine is $300. You're gonna have to pay a victim crime fee of $75, and you'll get all this information too, sir, so don't worry. Supervision fee is $35 a month. I'll have them calculated at 12 months, but if you finish early, it'll only be how much it is for the month that you finish, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You'll also have to pay $100 in court costs and whatever urinalysis testing fee it is. Sometimes if you come down here, they'll give you the price and let you know. So that'll be a part of it. As I stated on your form, I will put, if completed early, may request of the court to be finished with probation, okay?
Yes. Ma'am, thank
I
you.
love the fact that you're motivated, especially now because you know you got some more responsibilities coming, okay?
Yeah.
Let that be an extra motivation for you to do well, okay?
When can I start?
All right.
paying?
So we can start paying this on
Yeah.
Monday?
Okay. All right.
Okay, all right. When you finish this, I need you to call probation services back. Do you have the person's phone number who you spoke to for this?
Yes, I do. It's at it's the 36th district probation office, right? Yeah, I got the number.
That's right. Yep, if you still have that person, call them back and let them know I sent it to you, and they'll get some paperwork from me, and I'll put in that paperwork. Like I said, if you complete early, I will discharge you early from probation, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're very welcome. All right, if there's nothing further, sir, I wish the best of luck to you, and I hope to see you back completed, not for a probation violation, okay?
Okay, you'll see me in September for sure.
You better say it. All right, then. I look forward to it. Thank you very much. All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, sir, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a good day. Bernice White. Bernice White.
Yes.
All right. Okay, Miss White, can you move the camera down just a little bit so I can see that beautiful face of yours, ma'am? There we go. All right.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Bernice White. This is ticket SP 1383349. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant. Ma'am, please state your name for the record.
Bernice White.
Thank you. And I'm pleased to inform the court that Ms. White presents today with current and valid documents. I have seen those and contest to that. Attest to that as an officer of the court. I've sent those to Corporation Counsel. I would expect that there would be a compliance recommendation here for dismissal, and I would stipulate the probable cause for that. Thank you.
All right. At this time, the court, being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, and I do have from Corporation Counsel order to dismiss without prejudice. Ms. White, make sure you always have everything up to date and in your vehicle, okay?
Okay, okay, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. All right, have a great rest of your day, okay?
You too, thank you.
I will. Thank you very much. J. Andrew White.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, he has on a nice tie. You are dressed very nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now calling the matter of the people versus J. Andrew White. This is ticket SP 1363873. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, would you state your name for the record?
J. Andrew White.
Thank you, Mr. White, for your patience today, and Your Honor, I would indicate that Mr. White is going to waive his rights to any further hearings or trials. He's going to plead guilty pursuant to the recommendation, and he stands ready to make a factual basis.
All right. If that's the truth, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney? That would have been Mr. Hoffman about your case, about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you,
No.
or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding everything, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I want to bring your attention back to the date of June 15th of 2022. At that time, did you own a Dodge vehicle, sir?
Yes.
And did you allow someone who was unlicensed to drive that vehicle?
Yes.
And counsel, when you stipulated it was in the area of East Auto Drive and 7 Mile in the city of Detroit?
I would so stipulate and also indicate that I'm satisfied with the factual basis. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So at this time, the court's going to enter in one count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive in this particular matter. Who were you letting drive your car, Mr. White?
I'm a pastor, and it was just somebody helping me out that day. And it is what it is.
Tired from a hard day's work, Your Honor. Tired.
I was about to say, you didn't know they didn't have a license. You got to ask those questions, Mr. White, okay?
Understood.
Because it's very important. It seemed like that person got other tickets too. They may have been speeding or something.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, sir. This seemed like your only ticket. So the court is going, it's under the 3-month delay sentence. So that means as long as you pick up no new tickets in the next 3 months, then this case is going to be dismissed. I'm gonna waive your cost of fines today. So you just gotta come back 3 months to make sure that you don't have any new tickets, okay?
I appreciate you.
You're welcome. So I'll see you back on June 5th, 2023 at 8:45 a.m. for your review. As long as you have no new tickets, I'll dismiss this case, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for taking ownership.
Have
That
a
goes
blessed
a
day,
long
Your Honor.
way with stuff, okay?
Amen. Amen.
All right. Have a good day, sir.
All right. You too.
I will. Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
Joyce Webb? No, it's not you, Mr. White. You're all set. Mr. Webb? Miss Webb?
Yes.
Okay, hold on 1 second. All right, Miss Webb, are you able to turn on your camera for me, please? I'm gonna ask you to, he's gonna activate it. If not, then we'll just move forward, because I know you've been sitting here, okay?
Yes.
You see it asking you to show me your face?
No.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Joyce Webb. This is ticket SP 1384908. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Joyce Webb.
Thank you.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding on this one?
I'm looking for my notes, Your Honor. One moment.
Okay.
Your Honor, the defendant's going to waive rights and plead guilty here to one count of failing to display a valid license. Is that right, Ms. Webb?
No, I
Okay.
had my license.
I'm sorry. Forgive
You
me.
have insurance too, ma'am?
I got insurance yesterday.
Okay. So can,
You need to recall this, Attorney Bachman, because she actually played the expired plates ticket that was on this. Did you know that?
I did not.
Okay, so do you have a motion at this time, Attorney
Well-
Bachman?
Yeah, I would move to dismiss for a basis on paid civil infraction.
All right, at this time, the court is going to dismiss counts 1 and 2 of this ticket. She did pay a civil infraction and she paid $220. I think that's sufficient for the court at this point in time, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Ms. Webb, you paid the civil infraction that went along with these tickets, didn't you?
Yes,
All right, so the court is going to dismiss these other 2 counts. Good luck to you, okay?
thank you.
You're welcome, Ms. Webb. You have a good day, okay?
You too, bye.
I will, bye-bye. I know you ain't know that, Attorney Bachman, the ticket wasn't on the docket, and so I had to pull it up to see if she actually paid it.
Thank you.
No problem. Cindy Woods? Who's
That
this?
is Alvin.
It's my phone, but it's for Dominique
Oh,
McMillan.
Dominic, excuse me, I'm sorry.
Okay, Dominique McMillan, all right. Now calling the matter of people versus Dominique Williams McMillan. This is ticket number SP 1283798, count 1, entering a vacant dwelling without owner's written permission. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
McMillan.
One more
You gotta
time.
get closer to the mic, sir.
Dominique McMillan.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant is here for show cause. He inadvertently missed the last act date. He wants to have you enter a not guilty plea for the purpose of arraignment, but he's going to waive his rights to any further hearings today. He's going to plead guilty as charged. The recommendation is for a 90-day delayed sentence.
If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir? You got to answer verbally for me, okay?
Ma'am.
Okay. You're all right today, Mr. Williams McMillan?
All right.
You okay? I'm talking to you, Mr. Williams McMillan.
Yeah, I'm all right.
Okay.
I just want to
Okay,
get.
you got some-
I feel like, huh?
Just say, she asking you, are you
Yeah.
okay? Yes or no?
Do you need a moment to think about this offer, Mr. Williams McMillan?
I just want to get this. I just want to get this over with.
I know,
That's all.
but let me ask you this before I start, okay? I want to have you call, which make a factual basis. That means I'm going to ask you about your guilt. If that's not something you feel comfortable admitting today, then we can have a bench or jury trial where the officer will have to come before this court and you will be able to have a bench trial. How are you feeling today? I know Attorney Bachman does a good job of advising, but I also don't want you to be hesitant about taking this offer, okay?
What is this gonna go towards? Like, do I have to make any payments or anything?
Typically, I do charge a fine, typically, or if you can't afford the fine, then I can do community service in lieu of costs and fines. You will have 3 months to be able to take care of it because it's under what's called a 3-month delay sentence. What that means is as long as you take care of the cost and fine and or the community service in a 3-month period and pick up no new tickets like this, the court will then dismiss it.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so you ready to move forward now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, raise your right hand again for me, okay? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Ma'am.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have an opportunity to talk with Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights? That's the guy with the glasses on.
Yeah.
All right, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything besides what I just said in order for you to take this plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
My own bad decisions, ma'am.
Okay. Are you pleading guilty
Made a lot of
because you are guilty, sir?
I'll take the second one. I'll take the second one.
You take the second one. Are you pleading guilty of your own
Yes.
choice? Okay.
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
From that decision, yes.
Okay. And do you understand why, when you take this plea, you're gonna give up a right that you had? You have the right to either have a bench trial, that's a trial before myself, or a jury trial. That's with 6 citizens of the city of Detroit who will hear the same information I will hear. But if you take this plea, you're gonna say, I give that up. You understand that for today's case?
Yes, ma'am.
You say yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Understanding all of this, can we move forward, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want to take your attention back. It's a little ways ago, but to December 14th of 2021. Were you in the area of 6232 Cashew in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
You said yes?
Yes.
All right. And did you go into a location there? It was a vacant home without the owner's permission, sir? Oh, did he freeze? He froze. They may be getting a phone call.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. The court is satisfied as well and will enter in one count of entering a vacant dwelling without owner's permission. Sir, so like I said before, I can do a fine or community service. My fine is $200 or my community service is 40 hours. Which one would you like, sir?
$200.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna give you a $200 fine. You have 3 months to pay it because you're gonna come back and see me for a review in 3 months. Okay? As long as you pay my fine, I'm going to dismiss this case. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I'll see you back June 5th, 2023 at 8:45 a.m. via Zoom for this. Okay?
I have a
Ma'am,
question.
hold on before you start talking. Hold on. You gotta state your name for the record.
Dominique McMillan.
No, not you. The lady who was about to start talking, ma'am. If you're gonna start talking, you gotta state your name.
Oh, I'm sorry, ma'am. My name is Cindy Woods.
Okay. Ms. Woods, you were gonna ask a question?
Yes.
Okay, what's your question?
For his next court date, you guys will be sending out a reminder for that court date?
Typically we do, but write it down too, because you already know sometimes the mail system, you know,
Okay,
they do good now, but it was a little choppy.
Okay, I wanted to, how do he update his address? Because the address that you guys have on file is no longer his place of residence.
Okay, I'm gonna give you phone number for the court. You're gonna call the courtroom in about 15 minutes, okay? And you're gonna give us the updated address and we'll put it into the computer system. You ready?
Yes.
313
Just a second, ma'am.
965 2293.
Excuse me, ma'am, can you repeat that again?
Yes, I can. 313 965 2293.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You got it now? Okay. All right. So we'll see you back June 5th. You're gonna pay my fine, sir. You're not gonna go back into anyone's house who you're not supposed to be in, correct?
No, ma'am. I will never do that again.
All right. Thank you so much. I'll see you then and give the courtroom a call so we can update that address, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you so much.
Welcome, Judge.
All right. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. We're making it through, Attorney Boffman. I'm sorry. Michael Ware?
Yes.
All right. Now you're gonna have to get in a better position where I can be able to see. There we go. Now calling the matter of people versus Michael Ware. This is Z ticket 808729. This is one count operating while intoxicated. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. State your name, ma'am.
Michael Ware.
Thank you. Your Honor, the defendant and I have discussed her rights. She's been advised and willing to waive those rights here and now in order to plead guilty according to the recommendation.
All right. Is that right, Ms. Ware?
Yes.
All right. So please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, go ahead, put your hand down. Ms. Ware, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney? That'd have been Mr. Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I want to take your attention back to on or about the date of April 30th of 2020. Were you in the area of Kenwood and Loyna Street in the city of Detroit? That's Lonyo Street in the city of Detroit, ma'am?
It was 2022, but yes.
Oh, 2022. What year did I say? I'm so sorry.
2020.
Okay. 2022. Yes. Were you driving a vehicle at that time?
Yes.
All right. And did you drive while you were under the influence of alcohol?
Yes, ma'am.
And counsel, when you stipulate that her blood alcohol level was more than the legal limit of 0.08 at the time? Counsel, you on mute.
Yes, so stipulated, and I'm satisfied with the factual basis.
All right. The court is satisfied as well and will enter in one count of operating while visibly impaired, the amended count. Ms. Ware, this is a hard lesson to learn early on in your life. And you better be happy they only charged you with operating while intoxicated. Your blood alcohol level was double the legal limit.
Yeah, I know.
Also, be grateful you didn't hurt anybody, including yourself.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, because I've seen this end tragically way too many times. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Hold on a minute. Did I see a kid was in the car?
The defendant is aware of the special terms and conditions added on to her, to the recommendation here. She's agreed to attend the parenting class.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just looking. I was reading part of the sheet trying to see what was going on. Did you have a child in the vehicle?
Yes, my son was with me.
Miss Ware.
I know. I had a child endangerment case last year that I had to go through.
I was about to say, so you facing more than what I'm giving you anyways, aren't you?
Yeah, I already have been in touch with CPS regarding that.
All right. Well, you got to come back for sentencing for this matter. So you already know you can't drive unless you have a license, or if they gave you a temporary, you have to follow exactly what instructions they gave you. No drinking. Just don't do it right now because it's not even worth it. You've already risked too much, okay?
Yeah, I've already stopped. So even
right,
if I'm on probation, it won't be hard.
Okay. All right. You can recover from this, Miss Ware, okay? Just know that.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have you come back for sentencing on the date of April 17th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna give you a number to call though. Can you put it in your phone or write it down?
Yes, give me 1 second.
All right.
Okay, I'm ready.
313-965-3414. This is our probation department, okay? You want to repeat it to me?
313-965-3414.
Yep. Call them and tell them you're going to be sentenced on April 17th before me, okay?
Okay, do I call them today or
Yeah.
the day of?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Call them today once you get off this call, okay?
Okay.
All right, good luck to you, Miss Ware. I wanna take special care with you, okay? Because this was kind of a little bad, but I know you can get better from this, okay?
Okay, absolutely. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, I'll see you back then for your sentencing, okay?
Okay, have a great
All
day.
right. You too, thank you.
Thank you, bye.
All right. I'm too nice to these people. Michael Williams.
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Michael Anthony Williams. This is ticket SP 1360486. Count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Michael Anthony Williams.
Thank you, and good morning, Mr. Williams.
Morning.
One moment while I consult. So many Williamses.
I know. We have a whole lot.
Okay, this is a matter set for trial. There being no complaining witness, Judge, we're asking that the court consider here a motion to dismiss without prejudice.
All right, the time is now 11:31 a.m. No officer having appeared. The court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir,
Yes.
no more of this, please. No more of this behavior. They can refile it if they want to, but if they don't think you got away with something, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay, Mr. Williams? Have a great rest of your day.
You too. God bless you.
All right, same here. Thank you so much. Ms. Washington?
Yes.
Now calling the matter, scoot the camera back just a little bit.
Okay. Oh, you said back away from the phone?
Yeah. There you go. Now calling the matter of the people versus Takesha Washington. This is you ticket 630-24522. This is one count of entertainer appears semi-nude. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Takesha Washington.
Thank you, Ms. Washington. Judge, we're here for trial. We're continuing not guilty plea, but there's no complaining witness. And the trial was set at 9 a.m. Would you consider a motion to dismiss here and now without prejudice?
Yes, at this time it is 11:33 a.m. No officer being present. The court is going to grant your request. We're going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ma'am, they can refile this if they want to, but as of right now, you're all set, okay? Make sure you don't make this mistake again though, okay? Now you know the rules.
It wasn't me though. I'm the bartender. It wasn't me. They just gave me the ticket.
Well,
because I was the one there with my license, so they just gave it to me. But I make sure it doesn't happen again.
okay, all right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
Do I need any paperwork or anything, or?
So if you wait until Monday, you'll be able to go online and print off the dismissal, okay?
So do I need to call down to court to find out how to do that, or?
I can tell you.
Or either you can come down.
You can go to 36districtcourt.org. That is the number 6, the number 3, the number 6, CH, districtcourt.org. And when you get to that homepage, you will see a tab that says look up case/balance.
36 District Court.
.org.
.org.
Mm-hmm.
And then I just use my case number or something to look it up?
You can look it up by your case number. You can use your name though. But you go to the look up case tab and then put in your name and you'll get your whole history in the 36th District Court, and you can print up any information from any one of those cases.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. I appreciate you as well. Good luck.
Bye-bye.
Bye now.
Attorney Boffman. Thank you, Attorney Boffman. Thank you, Ms. Washington. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Zuri Rabia. Zuri Wabia. Ms. Wabia. I'm gonna bring in the last couple of people in there. What are we doing with the trials? Okay.
There will be no trials this morning, Your Honor. I will need time to speak to Mr. Alvin Woods. If you could give me permission, I will bring the remaining people out of the breakout rooms.
Give me 1 second. Let me do these people on the screen first. Eric Williams, and then you can bring everybody up.
Yes.
Okay, can you turn on the camera for me, please?
Say what?
Turn on your camera. Sorry. See it?
Did it work?
No eyes for that. I can't see you, but okay.
Just a second.
Now calling the matter of the people. Hold on. Now calling the matter of the people versus Eric Earl Williams. This is ticket SP 1290504. Count 1, entering a vacant dwelling without owner's written permission. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant, sir. State your full name.
Eric Williams. Eric Earl Williams.
Thank you, Mr. Williams. The defendant is going to waive rights to any further hearings or trials today. He's pleading guilty. The recommendation is that the charge would be reduced to disorderly conduct, Your Honor.
All right. You want to take advantage of that today?
Yes.
All right. So please raise your right hand.
Yep.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right. You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
I sure did.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
Absolutely not.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, I am pleading guilty because I am guilty.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that, sir?
Yes, I do.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of December 14th of 2021. Did you go into a location in the area of Harper and Cashew in the city of Detroit, sir?
Yes, I did.
And did you have into that dwelling, that vacant dwelling without the owner's written permission?
Yeah, yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, stipulation for probable cause. No, it's no probable cause. Sorry. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of disorderly conduct, sir. Okay? My fine is $200, sir. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
Can you give me? I'm actually at Meridian Health Services right now, and I'm about to go into a 3/4 house. Can I have a little more time than that?
90 days? Is that gonna be enough time?
Yeah, that'll be enough time. 3 months is enough.
All right, I'll give you until June 5th, okay? To have that paid.
Good. Okay, that's all it is $200.
$200, sir.
All right, that'll do. Thank you very much, Your
All
Honor.
right,
You have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you very much. John Williams, if you can hear me, press *6. Unmute yourself. All right, turn on your video for me, sir.
I'm here.
All right, turn on your camera.
Hello, Pete. I think I need somebody else. I think I need somebody up here. Yeah.
All right, now, Mr. Williams, I know
Yes,
you may
ma'am.
be working. You're gonna have to stop for 1 second to handle this matter, so let me know when you can.
Okay, I'm about to lock the doors right now.
Okay.
Yo, just give me 1 second.
It won't take too long, Mr. Williams.
It's not. That one? This is the popcorn. That's the fake piece right there. It needs a fry. Okay, yes, ma'am.
Here we go, Mr. Williams. Now calling the matter of the people versus John Willie Williams the fourth. This is ticket number SP 1383579. Count one, tinted front windows. Count two, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman. For the defendant, sir, state your name.
John Williams.
Thank you, Judge. We're here for a pre-trial. The defendant will not like a trial. He wants to waive his right to that and he's guilty here and now. The recommendation is that the driver's license offense would be reduced to failure to display and the improper equipment would be dismissed. We're stipulating the probable cause for that recommendation here on behalf of the defendant. Thank you.
All right. Sir, if you want to take advantage of that, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, you had a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights. Is that right?
I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that, sir?
I do.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today, Mr. Williams?
I do.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of August 25th of 2022. Were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Finkel and Freeland Streets in the city of Detroit?
I was.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was your license not valid at the time or improper?
It wasn't.
All right. It wasn't valid.
It wasn't.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, satisfied, thank you.
All right. And the court is satisfied as well and will enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to display. The remaining count is a civil infraction. The court will dismiss this at this time. Sir, my fine is $200. Are you able to afford that?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
I said my fine is $200. Are you able to afford that, sir?
Yes.
All
In
right.
like 30
How long
days.
do you need? 30 or 60 days?
30.
You sure? That's gonna be enough time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. You were surprised, huh? I'll give you 30 days. I'll make it due no later than April 3rd, 2023, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. Williams, get back to work. Thank you so much.
You have a good one.
All right. Have a good day, sir. Zuri Wabi. Zuri Wabi. Thea. All right. You can open up all the breakout rooms, Attorney Baughman.
Thank you.
You're welcome. One moment, Miss White. Just put yourself on mute for right now, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Miss YB, I've been calling for you for a little while now.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I was calling for you for a while. Now you gotta wait one moment.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Okay, we're ready, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Wabia? Ms. Wabia?
Hello?
Hello?
Okay. All right. Can you hear me now?
I can't hear you now. Thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Zuri Wabia. This is
Yes, ma'am.
Wabia. Thank you. Wabia. This is ticket SP 13759885. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Baughman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Zuri Wabia.
Thank you, Judge. Would you set this for another pretrial? The defendant's been advised and is on her way, well on her way to coming back into compliance.
All right, ma'am, I'm gonna set this for a pretrial on the date of May 1st. May 1st at 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond. I'll have it continue at $0 personal, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll see you back May 1st, 2023, okay? Probably gonna need to get on the actual Zoom app too, so you can show them what your compliance documents, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Have a good day. Yes, ma'am.
All right, you too, thank you.
Mhm.
Ms. White, can you unmute yourself and turn on your camera? Shanier White?
Yes, ma'am. How you doing?
Sure, I'm good at you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Shanier White. This is ticket SP 1375445. Count 1, defective windshield. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, tinted windows. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your name for the record?
Shanier White.
Thank you. And good morning. Your Honor, the defendant presents today with valid compliance documents, and after talking to the prosecutor, there's been a determination that there is no issue of material fact to have a trial for. The stipulation is for a dismissal, and I give my stipulation of probable cause for the recommendation. Thank you.
All right, this time the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ms. White, always be in compliance with everything, so you don't have to sit in my court all morning long and wait for us to be done, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you though for coming into compliance, okay?
Yes, have a great day.
You too, thank you very much. Alvin Woods,
Yes, how you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay.
Now, okay, now calling the matter of the people versus Alvin Woods. This is ticket SP 1316599. Count 1, leave scene of accident causing property damage. Count 2, accident drive, failed to use due care and caution. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Okay, please report Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, state your full name, please.
Alvin Woods.
Thank you, Judge. We are not going to have a trial today. The defendant is going to waive his rights to that. He's pleading pursuant to the recommendation, which is that he would admit responsibility on count 2 or guilt in count 2, and that count 1 would be dismissed here. I stipulate the probable cause for the recommendation. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. So at this time, reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the day of February 19, 2022, in the area of Schaefer and Grand River, the city of Detroit, Mr. Woods was driving a Ford vehicle and did have an accident causing the driver failed to use due care and caution. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor, and still stipulated.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the civil infraction and going to dismiss the misdemeanor. Sir, this ticket is $130. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for you, sir?
No, not not. It's not gonna be enough time, but I could have the money. Can't say when, because I just had a tragedy in the family, but I can have the money maybe next month, maybe if it's possible, Judge.
Okay. I'm sorry to hear that you had an issue in your family. How about is 30 days enough time, or you need more time?
A little more time to help me out, then I can get this situation on my side or out the way to have a little money.
All right. May 3rd. That gives you 60 days, okay? May 3rd.
May 3rd. Okay. May 3rd, $130, Judge?
That's right.
130. Okay, I'm just writing it down because I forget. 130, May 3rd. Okay. So that's just $130, Judge. Do I go down to 36 district and pay it? Can I go down there and pay it?
Okay. Absolutely.
Okay. Okay. So take the ticket I received. Take one of these down there with me.
Yeah,
they're gonna know.
Just have your driver's license as well. They can look it up by your driver's license number as well. Okay.
Okay. That's $130, and God bless you. And I really thank you for this. And I'm gonna be careful.
Okay, be careful. I know we gotta be mindful. When we get a little bit more seasoned, we gotta just make sure we are alert. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. There's nothing further. Good luck to you. And I'm sorry to hear about the loss in your family. Okay.
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Here.
Very welcome. Have a good day. Okay.
Okay, I'm all through.
You're all through. You can go ahead and hang up that phone.
Okay, thank you. Now have a blessed day. Stay safe now.
Well, you have a blessed week too. Kimberly Yarborough.
Yes.
All right. You can turn on your camera for me, please, ma'am.
How you turn it back on?
Let me show. I'll ask you to do it.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Kimberly Yarborough. This is ticket number SP 1346301. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1231576. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Boffman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Kimberly Yarborough.
Judge, the defendant's in compliance and there's a recommendation to dismiss with prejudice. I stipulate the probable cause for that.
So this time the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice for now her being in compliance. Ms. Yarborough, did you take care of the other ticket that was with this, the exhaustive noise muffler horn that's in default?
Yes, I did.
I move to set aside the default, Your Honor. Can you give me some details about what you did to correct that condition?
It was the muffler. I had got 2 mufflers put on there
Where?
at a muffler shop on 8 Mile and Van Dyke.
How much did that cost, ma'am?
About $300 and something.
Your Honor, would you dismiss that case for compliance?
Ticket number SP 1345899. This is one count exhaustive noise muffler horn exhaust tires. Calling on the record today, counsel did voir his client, just a little bit about what had taken place and what had happened with this. She has since got a repair. The court is going to dismiss this without prejudice. I'll bring it out of default. All right, Ms. Yarborough.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. I know it was a costly fix, but sometimes we gotta do what we gotta do. So we're gonna make sure we have all our documents in the car, up to date at all times, okay?
Okay,
All right, ma'am. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you for your patience this morning.
thank you.
All right, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you.
Need me to sign you out, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Okay, I know. You've been so patient. I'm gonna take you out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right.